So let's see the concept of man day. So here you just have to consider man day as a unit of work, just like we know that joule is a unit of work, but here we have to consider man day as a unit of work. Don't think much, just you have to believe this, and you will find why it is very helpful in doing questions. So in man day work problems, we know that when we increase the number of mans, so the number of days to do the work will decrease, and if we decrease the number of mans, the time taken or the number of days to do the work will increase. So we can say that man is that inversely proportional to day. Okay, so if we remove the proportionality, we know that a constant will come. So man into day will be a constant. So if m1 and d1 is the first man and the number of time days he took, and m2 is the second man, then d2 will be the number of time it will took. This will serve as a formula for us for solving the questions. Similarly, if man, day and hour, which is the rate of doing the work, or so it is given in the question, so we will use this formula m1 d1 h1 is equal to m2 d2 h2, where m1 is number of man, d1 is the number of days, and h1 is the rate at which the work is done. So let's see the questions, so you will understand it better. So let's see an example. It will give you a better understanding of whatever we have seen in the above slide. So if any work is done by 3 men, so 8 days are taken. So the question is, if 7 men does the work, then how many days it will take? So we know that when number of men will increase, so number of days will decrease. So let's put our formula m1 d1 is equal to m2 d2. m1 is 3 into days is 8, m2 is 7, and number of days d2 can be find. So d2 will be 3 into 8 21 by 7, that is 24 by 7 days. So we have seen this question. So next question, if we see, is suppose a work is to build a building. So 45 men does this work in 30 days and at rate of 12 hours per day. Okay, I told you that hour is the rate of doing work. Similarly, doing the same work 60 men doing at the rate of 10 hours per day. So how many days they will take? This is the question. So we know we have had a formula m1 d1 h1 is equal to m2 d2 h2. So we will put the values 45, 30, 12, and here 60, d2 we don't know, and h2 is 10. So 0 0 we will cut. So what will be the value of d2? 45 into 12 by 60. So we will calculate, and this will be the answer. Okay, let's calculate. 3 4 3, so 9 days. So I hope you all have understood the concept. Thank you.